Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia.
Mm-hmm.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Mercer and Venango. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northern Mercer County in northwest Pennsylvania, Venango County in northwest Pennsylvania, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Greenville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Greenville, Fredonia, Maurice K. Goddard State Park, Stoneboro, Polk, Sugar Creek, Cooperstown, Franklin, Van, Seneca, Pleasantville, Oil Creek State Park. This will impact the following highway: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 124 and 136.